as you can see right here, I will be purchasing this new domain called goodluckspell.com and from GoDaddy. And after we purchase, since it's a brand new domain, so it's not currently indexed in Google, so it's brand new. That time you can, load any number of articles, like 1,500 articles, load it up before it gets indexed into Google. So hello, so we are ready to generate the articles for our new site, goodluckspell.com. Okay, so we have the list of keywords here that we will be putting now on our site. So we have here a total of let's see, 239 keywords that we will all load in one go, like 20 keywords per batch using this article AI generator. Remember, this method is only applicable if you have the new site and if it's not currently indexed on Google. So the way you will check if it's already indexed on Google is that if you see here, you type in site and then your colon and then your website domain on Google. And if you see here, so it nothing is indexed from Google because it is a brand new domain that I just recently purchased, which I showed you earlier. And what we can do here, if we have a brand new domain and if it's not known on Google, we can publish any number of article, even 500,000 in one go, without doing any workflow. So the moment Google recognized that your site went online, like for example, goodluckspell.com, Google discovered the goodluckspell.com. You already have that 200 plus articles like here, or whatever number of articles you have the first time Google recognizes it. So Google will know that initially this website already have these numbers of articles, and because it's different from your website is already existing on Google, it's indexed, and then you are publishing like 10-20 articles per day. So Google will consider you your website a spammy, or producing an AI generated content website, which is red flag in Google. But in this method, since we are using a brand new one, a newly registered domain, so we can publish this 239 blog posts or keywords in just now, everything left. Okay, and then we will monitor this continuously and see whether we how long we can get organic traffic from these 239 keywords. Okay, so to begin that process, what we need to do is I'm going to open the article AI generator. My account has some credits to generate this number of articles. So here in article AI generator, we have we can generate 20 articles per batch, and we have here our website Goodluckspell, which I just installed a brand new WordPress. Okay, and then here in our dashboard, very important before you start is we install the plugin called WordPress REST API. So we just click this add new plugin. So this is in order for us to integrate our the auto post from here. You can choose yes, and then we can automatically post those 239 from article AI generator to this goodluckspell.com, our new domain, without manually posting the articles that are generated. Okay, so we search the WordPress REST API, and then make sure you install this mini orange by mini orange. So install that. Okay, and then activate. Okay, once it's activated, you just simply configure it. You click configure. So this is not too complex. So you just make sure this basic authentication is ticked. So click that, and then this one here, make sure it's ticked. So click that, and then click next, and then just click finish. That's it. As you can see, basic authentication method is configured. To make sure that your REST API is configured correctly, what you can do is again click that basic authentication. We just choose this one, the first option, username and password with base64 encoding. Choose that, okay, and then click next. And then here, as you can see here in users, I added a separate user apart from admin, which I can use to post from article AI generator to this new website. So here I have this editor role, which I will be using to send a post from article AI generator to my website. So we will configure that. So what we can do is again here you type this, and then the password, we just grab the password. Okay, enter the password, and then test configuration. As you can see, yeah, it's it's authenticated, so we have successfully configured it, and then click on finish. All right. Okay, that's it. And then we can now start generating posts. So we click on post here. So let's delete this default post from the new WordPress installation. I'll move that to trash. All right. And then what I usually do is, because when we post a articles by default in categories, it is being added in the first category. So what I'll do is I'll modify this, and then let's say I'll just put this one, good luck spell. Okay. And then here in the terms, you can just put that in update. So all our posts will be in that first category. All right. So we go to the post. So see, it's empty. Now we can start generating them. First, what I'll do is I'll just test using a single article. Okay, to see whether that WP Authenticator is working. So I'll just generate the first one, then click on yes, and then keep it. We can now post status set to publish, because it's the first time we are generating, and as I told you earlier, it is not known on Google, so we can publish multiple articles today. Okay, but once it is indexed on Google, so never publish bulk article anymore. You need to have your correct workflow in order for you to consistently publish articles. But now, since again not known on Google, so we can bulk publish articles, which I'm going to do now. So okay, let's do that. So let's enter our credentials, which we have set up using WordPress REST API. Okay, and then the URL of our website. So copy that. Right, like that. So I'm just testing the single article first to see whether the WordPress REST API is working. Let's see. Okay, as you can see, it's generating. Okay, great. As you can see, it got completed. And if you see here, post ID, so that means our WordPress has been configured correctly, our WordPress REST API. Okay, and when we check the article, so see here, it's now posted and published. But very important, okay, when you are setting up a new WordPress, you set the permalinks and use this post name, okay? Use this option post name, and then say changes, okay? So that the structure of your URL will be, user friendly, and it's nice to view, okay? Now we have published our first article, okay? We can put that into. Yeah, we can highlight that. So now let's publish everything. So it will be 20 at a time. So here, count 18. So let's add 2 more. Okay, 20. Now, what we can do is come here, generate bulk articles, paste this 20, and then force medium, and then set to yes. And then, of course, I want it to be published. And let's type our credentials again. Copy the link. Okay, generate 20 articles. All right, so you go to generated articles tab, and as you can see, they are all queue. While they are on queue, so you can just refresh the page, and as you can see, some of them started generating, but you don't have to wait. You don't need to wait. You can again generate the second batch. So here we will highlight, and then again choose the 20. It is 25, 21, okay, 20, and then highlight that, so we will know it's done. Okay, generate bulk articles. Now post yes, then published. Okay, then copy link. Okay, go to generated articles. As you can see, they're all queue. So now let me do this in fast forward. So let's do everything. So I'll just fast forward the video and of course set a timer to see roughly how long it will take to publish these 239 articles using article AI generator. Okay, so now again, so let's refresh to see whether it has published some. Okay, it's still generating. Okay, now let's go. And All right. Apologies because I just I forgot to set the timer the first time I initially started the process, but now I'm setting it up. We will just add like because I calculated like about 5 to 8 minutes. I did the process, so we'll just add those 5 minutes on this one, okay, or 8 minutes. Okay, so as you can see, we have generated all the 239 keywords, okay, in 8 minutes or less. And then what we need to do is just wait for them to completed the articles. Let's wait for article AI generator. As you can see, some of them are in progress. And again, while we're waiting, so let's refresh these to see whether articles have been added. So as you can see, they're all published, okay, at the same time. So again, just a reminder before when you are doing this, make sure you have a brand new website and it's not yet it's not yet indexed on Google, as as I mentioned earlier. So if you check your brand new website, so nothing is indexed from Google yet. So initially I can publish these bulk articles, but if your website is already on Google, do not publish this number of articles in one go. You can generate them, but set them in draft, set the status in draft, and make sure you create a separate workflow. Okay, now since we have this already running, and yeah, we generated all the articles and waiting for them to be completed. While doing that, what I can show you is how we can quickly set up the website. So here, this is the appearance of the website. So what I usually do is in the appearance, I click on themes. I add this themes called Niv because it's very easy to configure. So here it's quite popular. So as you can see, it's already in the list. So you install that. Okay. Okay, and then activate. So once you activated that, you will see in the pages. Okay, before it gets created, some pages, we go to customize. And then here, we can set up the basic configuration of our site. So as you can see here, our articles have been published. So here, I don't want the date to be posted on the along with the article as well as the author. So what you can do here is go to layout, and then here you can find that in blog archive, and then the post meta. So you can remove the date. As you can see, date will be removed and the article too. And here, okay, so let's publish that. So if you have the featured image with which I will show you on the future video on how we can add feature image in one go here. But for now, let's just stick with that, and let's stick to our plan of getting organic traffic with this case study. So what I usually do is change this to list, so it appears like this, and then pretty much that's it. And then what you can do is remove the sample page, the menu right here. Remove that. So the primary menu, we can remove that, okay, and create our primary menu. So here is the top menu. Next, and then it's gone. So later you can add the about us there and contact us here when you later on set up your blog. Okay, so I'll do that. But for this video, I just show you how the basic when you're starting a new WordPress website and publish multiple articles in one go. And again, another reminder, do that only on a brand new domain. Do not publish bulk articles on the domain that's already existing on Google. All right, now here what I will do next is install some basic plugins. So here, add new. What we can do is install the Yoast SEO. So it will add some basic SEO on each of every post. So you can simply install that. Then activate. Okay, you can skip the configuration. We just want it to be installed. That's it. And then what we can install more is I think that's it. You can just pretty much you're done if you go to your post. So you see all your articles right there, and view one of the article. So see here, okay, we've got a really nice SEO friendly article right there. In less than 10 minutes, we generated those 239. I think they're all done because this is the last one that we generated. So see here, published 237, so we're just waiting for one article. So technically we are done. All articles have been generated, and then for the sake of the timer, I lost it, but I think it's less than 20 minutes, or oh no, not less than, maybe less than 10 minutes, we generated these 239 articles, okay, using this article AI generator. So this is really a powerful tool, and it really saves your time. So here, everything been completed, and all our blog posts are here. So what we need to do is just sit down and wait for organic traffic to come. So what I'll usually do is this one, the recent post, I will set it to 100 at a time. So when we go to the homepage, it will show 100 in one go. So when Google crawls the website, it will see all the posts, and all the posts may get indexed by Google if Google will see it on the first page. Okay, so the way we do that is go to settings and then reading. Okay, and here your latest post, and what we want to show is the first 500 posts. Okay, doesn't matter. So we save that. We want to have all the 239 posts when Google started to index the page, because usually index will crawl the first time in your homepage. So it's better to have all your posts there, so Google will know about it. And when you click on one of the posts, so you will see here. So I like to configure this recent post as well to show the 100, because the limit you can show here in the recent post are 100, the first 100, the latest 100 posts. So what I usually do is go to widgets. So in the appearance, widgets, and here in the latest post, I will configure that. So you just click this and then advance. So scroll down now, recent post, again select that and then advance in settings here. Okay, number of items, so set that to 100 because that's the max you can set, and then click on save. And I want to remove this. I don't need the comments, I don't need this section, and yeah, we can leave the search. So update that, and then here, so this just click on refresh. That's our home page. Yep, that's done. And then when you click one of the posts, you will see here, okay, these are all our the recent 100 posts, which can be easily crawled by Google. And now what we need to do is make sure you set up a Google Search Console. So I will do that now. I want to show you that because that's very basic. So for new websites, Google Search Console is really important. So for you to have the visibility to let Google know that your site already existing. So again, another reminder, make sure when you do this, your site is not yet indexed on Google. All right, so then you can publish this number of articles. So I will keep you posted, guys, on how we go. I will set up a Google Search Console on this new website, and show you guys the updates, the if we have started to get organic traffic. So just subscribe. So we will monitor together this good luck spell, this our case study, to see whether we will be getting a decent amount of organic traffic. So I think that's it. Thanks for staying